It's hot, it's dusty, and it's rural. The temperatures can range from 109 degrees in the summer down to about 40 degrees in the winter. While Richgrove is right in the middle of a dust bowl. My name is Mario Chavez. I'm the WebNet Media Coordinator and Printer Specialist for Richgrove School District. We're surrounded by agriculture, oranges, grapes, pistachios. The environment here for technology is just the worst you can possibly think of. The dust kills our systems, fries things, cuts the lifespan of our equipment in half. Our printers are needed every day. They need to be reliable, they need to be dependable, and they need to be fast. The HP printers have been phenomenal. My failure rate is none. I don't have any downtime with them. If I do, I use the care pack and I get one next day delivered and it fixes our problem. For a company to be able to deliver something that fast into an area this isolated is a big achievement. Before the HP Care Pack, I was seeing way too much of the principal.
Up until this last year, we've had some major issues when it comes to our printers. Mario's the guy who I had on an immediate speed dial. He got the abuse from our end of it in terms of what was going on with our printers.
I was getting constant phone calls every day about printer problems, especially from administration. Thanks to these new printers, I really don't have to talk to them as much, which is sometimes a good thing. When we switched over to the HPX series, we were spending about $75,000 on ink a year for 50 printers. Now it has actually been cut in half due to the capacity of the ink. PageWide technology blew me away, just the speed, the efficiency, and reliability. We use WebJet Admin to monitor the printers. I can check ink levels, update firmware. It's a good product that does make my job easier. We've had a lot of success with these new printers. Our teachers use them for everything in the classroom, projects, assignments, homework, even fun activities. So if they're down, it's a big problem. Our kids need to be ready for the future and ready to use these technical skills in schooling, even just at home. That's why we're here. That's what the tech department does, provide the technology and tools for them to use in the classroom and for their future.